In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images and text to banners Squarespace. A strong banner sets the tone for your page, and in just a few clicks, you can place a striking image behind your headline and supporting text. Before we start, make sure you're logged into your site and looking at the page that contains the banner section you want to update. Begin by opening the section controls. Hover over the banner area until you see the section toolbar appear, then click Edit Section. This opens the panel where you control how the banner looks and behaves. You'll see options for layout, spacing, and style. We're focusing on the visual backdrop, so keep your attention on the design controls here. Next, select Background. This is where you tell the section what to display behind your content. You may see choices like solid color, gradient, video, or image. For a classic hero look with crisp text on top, an image background works beautifully and loads quickly when optimized. Now choose. Add an image. This brings up your media options. If you've already uploaded assets to your library, you can reuse them here. Otherwise, you're about to bring in a fresh file. A few quick tips before you do. Pick a high quality image that's wide enough to cover large screens, aim for a landscape orientation, and leave some negative space so your headline and buttons have room to breathe. Keeping the focal point near the center helps the image look good across different devices. Click Upload File to select your image from your computer. After you choose the file, give it a moment to upload and process. You'll see the banner refresh with your new background in the preview. If the crop looks different than expected, that's normal. Banners are responsive and will fill the available space. Choose images with a clear subject and simple composition for the most reliable results. Your text sits on top of the banner automatically. Any heading, paragraph, or button you've already added to that section will appear over the new image. For readability, make sure there's enough contrast. Images with darker areas behind light text or lighter areas behind dark text work best. If your words feel hard to read, consider using images with more uniform tones or subtle textures so the message stays front and center. Small adjustments to the image choice can make a big difference in clarity. That's it. With Edit Section, Background, Add an Image, and Upload File, you've placed a compelling visual behind your banner text and elevated your page's first impression.